Alright, here's how to customize your WooCommerce checkout page, because a generic checkout form is costing you sales every single day. Go to WooCommerce settings and hit the Accounts and Privacy tab up top. Now here's something most people miss, that guest checkout option. Check that box to let people buy stuff without making an account. Seriously, this one change can boost your sales because half the people who abandon their carts do it when they see account creation forms. You can also turn on the login option during checkout if you want existing customers to sign in, but honestly, guest checkout is where the magic happens for new customers. There's also this account creation setting that lets people choose if they want an account or not. Way better than forcing it on them. Hit Save Changes. Now let's talk payments, because this is where people either buy or bail. Click the Payments tab. You'll see all these payment options you can turn on or off. Turn on whatever your customers actually use. Don't just enable everything because it looks impressive. Too many choices can actually slow people down. Here's a neat trick. Drag those payment methods around to reorder them. Put your most popular one first, because it becomes the default. Most people will just use whatever shows up first if it's what they normally use anyway. Click on each payment method to mess with its settings. Things like Apple Pay and Google Pay need setup in your payment gateway, but they're worth it if you get mobile customers. Below that, you'll see other options like Stripe, Square, AirWallex. Install whatever makes sense for your business. Just remember to save changes after you set everything up. For the actual checkout fields, you need a plugin called Checkout Field Editor. Go to Plugins, hit Add New, search for Checkout Field Editor for WooCommerce, and install it. Once that's running, you'll see Checkout Form under WooCommerce. This is where you can add custom fields, delete ones you don't need, or move stuff around. You can add text boxes, checkboxes, drop-down menus, whatever info you actually need from customers. Make fields required or optional based on what you really need versus what would be nice to have. Less is usually more here. For terms and conditions, head back to WooCommerce settings and click the Advanced tab. Pick your terms page from that drop-down in Page Setup. Pretty straightforward. If you want to change how the text looks, then go to Appearance, then Customize. Look for WooCommerce sections where you can change colors, fonts, button styles. Make it match your site instead of looking like generic WooCommerce. Here's the important part. Test everything before you go live. Add something to your cart and go through the whole process on desktop and mobile. Make sure required fields work and payments actually process. Use test mode in your payment gateways so you don't accidentally charge yourself real money while testing. Get all this set up right and you'll have a checkout that feels like part of your brand instead of some generic form that makes people wonder if they're still on your site.